Alright, I just got this S950. This channel 7 output's pretty janky, and this one too, I think I actually broke this in transport from my friend's house. But yeah, I couldn't find any videos on YouTube talking about these outputs and how to replace them. Yeah, I'm gonna try to open this up and figure it out. Yeah, quick tip, every other video I saw about someone opening these up, they always say not to lose these. I'm just gonna give you a real quick tip right here. Throw these the fuck away. Alright, yeah, so it was 4 screws for the rack ears, one right here, and then one on the back right in the middle. And then I believe this should just kind of slide out and come up. Let's see. Another thing people always say when making these tutorials is to be careful. Yeah, don't be. Alright, so I got this thing open. Looks like I'm just gonna be taking out this screw and this screw, and then this should come out, but you got these 2 connectors in here. These are feeding through to this and this. So I gotta get these out. Alright, so I just pulled these out. Not gonna lie, I feel like they fucking glued them on. It's kind of hard to get them out, but yeah, just remember that when you're putting them back on, that this flat part, if you can see the other side's like that, this flat part faces the edge. But yeah, I did go ahead and like kind of put them back on again, just so I know how they go back on. You just press them out or press them down. But yeah, now I'm gonna try to unscrew it. This voice out is connected here and here with those things. Alright, these are what they were. I got like little, I don't even know if these are pliers, and I just kind of poked them out from this side, and then you just grab them over here and pulled them out with my finger. But let's see. Yeah, so this seems like it should just kind of come out now, but I'm gonna use both hands to maneuver this out. Alright, I got this out. So basically it was in here. I just kind of like angled it down, and then I bent these wires a little bit, and then yeah, once it was down, I got it like that, and I was able to bring it right up. Alright, it actually wasn't nearly as hard as I thought it was to get this back in. I just did the same thing. I just tilted it back, pushed it down, and then they slid right in. Yeah, for this, you kind of just squeeze it down. And let me focus this. You just kind of squeeze it in, and then just force it in there. Oh man, I'm doing all the ditties today. Yeah, just like so. Now I'm gonna get these bad boys. Are they in? Can't even tell. Alright, so I was having trouble getting this connector in all the way, just because the fucking green thing was bending a little bit too much. I just want to be delicate with it. So I ended up taking out all these screws, just so I can lift this up and, like, you know, have my hand underneath of it when I pushed it in, so it wasn't bending. But like I said earlier, especially with these screws, everyone's saying don't lose them. You definitely aren't going to need these ones. So yeah, toss these right out. Alright, so I went ahead, flipped up this so I could plug this in. I did that. But keep in mind, if you do that, there's like a piece of metal, like a flimsy piece of metal. It's almost like a piece of paper that's underneath this. And those holes need to line up with these holes underneath. So what I did was I just took a little piece of electrical tape and you know, put it on this and then folded it on the underneath of that so it would stick. But yeah, just took that off and yeah, I'm done with that. All right, so I just put it back together. I'm about to just at least make sure it fucking turns on. And there we go. Hopefully it was a success. I'll test out all the inputs later, but yeah, done and doneer. Yeah, if anyone wants to buy this bad boy for whatever reason, let me know.